Well, hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today, we're going to be showing you how to make Buffalo Wild Wings spicy garlic sauce. Hit it! Alright, well thanks a lot for tuning in. Like I said, we're making Buffalo Wild Wings spicy garlic sauce. This is a subscriber request. He's been a friend of the show for about 5 years. His name's Kurt Danielson. Thanks a lot for this request, and I hope I do it justice for you, Kurt. Alright, let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for this. We have got 1 cup of buffalo sauce, 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1.5 teaspoons of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, half a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 egg yolk, 2 teaspoons of water, and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. You can find this recipe over on my website, www.itsonlyfood.biz. Alright, let's start showing you how to do it. Alright, well, this recipe calls for us to heat up our sauce, and it said to heat it up in the pan. But I am an old school chef, and I'm going to do it the proper way. I'm going to mix it all up before I put it in the pan. So we're going to put all of our ingredients, except for the water, egg yolk, and cornstarch, into a bowl. And we're going to mix those up. Then we'll move over to the burner and start cooking our sauce. So we got all of our ingredients, except for the yolk, the cornstarch, and the water in this bowl. Just going to mix it up real well. That's ready to go. I've got the other ingredients right here. Let's head over to our stove and start doing this. Alright, we got our sauce that we made back there in the back with the whisk in it, and our yolk, cornstarch, and water. I got a bigger bowl to do the mixing of those 3 ingredients. I just don't like to make a mess, so I've got a bigger bowl to incorporate those ingredients. We're going to set it right on the pan here, and we're going to start mixing it up. Turn your heat on, about a medium heat. So all we want to do with our sauce here is we want to just bring it up to a slow heat, get a little bit of a simmer going on it. I'm going to back out of here. Got our bowl right here. Going to put our water in there. Our yolk. And I'm just going to whisk the water and the yolk together. And we're going to put our cornstarch right in there. And we're going to whisk this. We're just going to have it ready to go. So I'm just going to set this right here. It's ready to go. Let's move our camera back onto the sauce. So far so good. This smells fantastic. And we got some heat in it now. It's boiling. I'm going to take our mixture that we made. I'm going to pour it right into the center where our flames are erupting up onto the pan and where the heat is the most intense. Now what we're going to do is we're going to whisk this in. Until it thickens. You turn that heat off. There's our sauce, nice and thick. I got some chicken wings right here. Let me back out a little bit. I'm going to pour that sauce right over it. We got some nice wings there. I am going to plate these up. We're going to take some pictures, throw in some groovy music. We're going to come back and taste these. Don't go away. Let's go ahead and give these a try here. Wow, really good. That buffalo sauce that we started with is a base, the foundation for all the flavor. You got, of course, the garlic. That Worcestershire gives it a bit of umami. That egg gives it not only a nice luster and sheen, but it kind of coats everything really well with that vegetable oil too, so that the sauce stays on the chicken. Of course, you got the heat with the black pepper and the cayenne pepper in there. All around, this isn't a spicy sauce, but it's a very rich, very deep flavored sauce. I can see why everybody likes it. I've never gotten this when I go to B-dubs, but this is very good. Kurt, I hope you enjoy this. I hope this is what your expectations were. Thanks for being a friend of the show and for being a subscriber. Everybody else, if you want to subscribe, go down and hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment down below, like and share this video and this channel. And don't forget, the recipe is on www.itsonlyfood.biz. Take care of yourselves. We'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.